Welcome to the Michigan Department of Education's NexSys tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to initiate, update, and search for a grant application in NexSys. This guide is designed for entity authorized officials and assigned users. Alright, let's get started with initiating a grant application. When a grant application is made available by the state's program office, it appears on your dashboard under the My Opportunities section. To initiate the application, click on the title of the grant application under the Name column. In this example, we'll use CNP Coordinated Application, so simply just click on its name. If available, you can choose to copy data forward from the previous fiscal year. If you'd like a blank copy, just select Don't Copy Forward. When you're ready, click Proceed. Alright, the application has officially been initiated. After clicking Proceed, the document overview page appears. On this page, you can see the process flow for the entire application. Each grant application has its own set of page links based on program office requirements. Use the side navigation panel on the left to move around the application and its links. As a general rule, you shouldn't use your browser's back arrow when navigating the application. I would instead suggest you simply stick to the side navigation links or on-page buttons instead. Authorized officials can assign lower security level users to the application after it's been initiated, which it has been here. If you'd like more information on how to add entity users to a grant application, you can view our TA guide, which is found on the website, or view the instructional video in this playlist titled NexSys Shorts. The link will also be in the description for both resources. Alright, let's move on to completing the pages of an application. To view a page, simply click on it in the navigation panel. Review the instructions section on the top of the page and complete the fields as directed. When finished doing so, simply click Save before moving on to the next page. Once all pages have been filled out, review the document validation page for any errors. As you can see here, I missed a page, so I'll go back and fill this in, and then we can continue. Alright, now that that's filled in, we can scroll down to the bottom of the nav and hit Submit Application. Now that we've submitted the application, let's talk about how to update it. I'm once again signed in as a Level 5 administrator. Instead of finding the application in My Opportunities, because it's already created, we'll find it in My Tasks. Just like before, we'll simply click on the name of the application to open it. Before making any updates, make sure the application is in the Modifications in Progress section of the process flow. Otherwise, you won't be able to make any updates to the application. Because it's in the correct stage of the process flow, you're free to make any edits you want. While updating the application, pay special attention to the Notes tab. This is where the program office may leave comments on what they want changed in the application. If you'd like to reply to a note, simply hit Reply, and once you're done, hit the paper airplane icon in the lower right-hand corner to send it off. Once all updates are complete, you can resubmit the grant application to the program office for re-review. Just go down to Status Options and select Submit Modifications. This puts the application in the Submit Modification stage of the process flow. The document overview screen is not the only screen where you can view the status of the application. You could also view it under Status on your dashboard. Alright, to close out the video, let's discuss how to search for a grant application. To find your initiated grant application, click the Searches tab, and then select Applications. From here, you can fill out search criteria such as document number, the name of the application, or the fiscal year. You don't need to fill out every single search criteria. When you're ready, hit Search. Then, select the name of the application you want. And there you go. That's all you need to do to search for an application in NexSys. You've now learned how to initiate, update, and search for a grant application. If you'd like to learn more about this process, feel free to check out the written TA guide found at the link on screen. We also have other videos and TA guides found on the NexSys website. Thanks for watching.